Happy morning, friend.
Happy morning, Na.
Happy morning. Thank you for joining 6 a.m. Club Happiness Dose. Are you all really happy? Are feeling happy? Are thinking happy? Are looking for happy?
Looking for happiness.
Looking for happiness. Superb. That is what we require. That is what most of the people are thinking of. So that's fantastic and glad to have that response. Yes, exactly. This is not our problem. This is an entire nation problem. If you can see, India ranks 139 out of 149 countries in happiness index. World Happiness Index is published every year. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, all those neighborhood countries are much ahead of us. Think of our country status, how much happy we are. So, my dear friends, let's learn the art of being happy. Let's practice it. Let's teach to our family members, friends, neighbors, colleagues, our community, so that we'll build a happy family, happy neighborhood, happy community, happy nation. And finally, it will lead to a happily living place. Are you all with me for this moment, happiness moment?
Yes, Anna.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much for being with me. So, I will not take much of your time. It's just a small intro part related to happiness. So it's I wanted to give you a scientific a reason. So what actually makes you happy? So there are basically 4 happiness chemicals. So we used to call it as a dose. So that is why we call this club as a happiness dose. And this is like an acronym. So all these 4 happiness chemicals will help you to be happy. If you can focus on all these 4 chemicals, all the activities related to these 4 chemicals, definitely you will be happy for the entire day. It starts with the dopamine, the reward chemical. So whenever you celebrate the things, whenever you complete a task, accomplish something, whenever you do a self-care activities, whenever you eat food, dopamine will generated in your body and you'll be more happy. And coming to the next one, oxytocin, the love hormone. Whenever you share and care with others, like a pet, like a baby, and holding others' hand, we used to hold others' hand whenever we are in stress, right? And hugging your family members, giving a compliment. All these small tasks will help you to improve this love hormone, which is oxytocin. And the third thing, serotonin. This is known as the mood stabilizer. And especially for the female, they undergone for a lot of mood swings. But only that is only myth. If we feel only women will undergo the mood swings, that is a myth. Because men also will a lot. So get out of this. To improve this mood stabilizer chemical, they can practice meditation, reading, walking, running, cycling, swimming. All those exercises will help you to improvise your serotonin, which is a mood stabilizer chemical, which will help you. And finally, endorphin, the painkiller. You don't need to go to hospital for the painkillers. There are many small tasks which will help you to improve your happiness, which is nothing but laughter exercise, the beautiful exercise which we are going to end with for the today's session. And the essential oils, the fatty oils which you used to consume in our food. So nutritions will use to suggest what are all the oils we used to follow. So based on our body. And watching a comedy show like a Tom and Jerry or Charlie Chaplin or whatever the comedy shows which is coming in your, there are many channels for the comedy right now. We have a specific channels related to specific things. And dark chocolate, which will help you a lot, and exercise. So my dear friends, these are all the different kinds of activities. If you can practice all these 20 activities daily, definitely you can improve your happiness in your life. So let us start few activities right away to improve our happiness so that we learn the art of being happy. The first one is smiley challenge. So I'm going to share you a whiteboard. So before starting an exercise, sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, take a long and deep breath, inhale. Think of a beautiful moment which happened yesterday, which made you so happy. You are so happy for that moment. You're so happy for that person. You're so happy for that thing. Think of that thing. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. And slowly open your eyes. Now you can see a white screen in front of your mobile. Just touch on the screen. You can see a pen or pencil symbol on the left down. Just click on it. Select the color, whatever the color you would like to. You wish to select the color and write a beautiful smiley which represent your current happiness situation, whatever you are feeling. So the current one. So come on, start drawing your smiley. Let us see how beautiful you are going to draw your smiley. The smiley is going to represent your status.
Sir, என்கிட்ட அந்த பென்சில் எங்கன்னு தெரியலீங்க சார். I could see only the blank screen and the white screen.
Can you see white screen, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, நீங்க screen மேல touch பண்ணுங்க.
Screen மேல சார் இருக்கேன். mouse யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
Mouse யூஸ் பண்றீங்க, laptop யூஸ் பண்றீங்களா?
ஆமாங்க சார்.
Laptop யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா மேல உங்களுக்கு வந்து white board and ஒரு பென் தெரியும் பாரு மேல ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்ல.
மேம் வியூ ஆப்ஷன்ல annotate ஒன்னு இருக்கும் பாருங்களேன்.
I couldn't see actually. அந்த white screen view இருக்கு சார். ஆமா.
வியூ ஆப்ஷனுக்கு கீழ பாத்தீங்கன்னா annotate ஒரு பட்டன் ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் தெரியும்.
I could see only standard side by side full screen அதான் வரும்.
அது வந்து உங்களோட சைடு ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடுல சொல்றீங்க வியூல. நீங்க சென்டர்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு கிரீன் கலர் பாக்ஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கும். யூ ஆர் வியூவிங் மணிகண்ட கம்டா ஸ்கிரீன் வரும். சாரோட நேம் போட்டு இருக்கும் நடுவுல.
ஆமாங்க சார்.
அதுக்கு பக்கத்துல வியூ ஆப்ஷன் ஒன்னு இருக்கா மேம்?
எஸ் 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 எஸ்.
அதுக்கு கீழ பாத்தீங்கன்னா annotate இருக்கும். அத கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே.
அது எழுந்து அன்டு பண்ணனும்னா என்ன சார் செய்யணும்?
உங்களுக்கு மேல நீங்க அந்த இது டிரா சிம்பல் வரது.
ஆமா ஆமா.
I see Gopi sirs, Gokuls, Rani ma'am, Yamini. Rani ma'am has drawn 2 smileys. Okay, let's move on to our next task, superb drawing. So again, sit in a comfortable position, leave everything, take a long and deep breath, inhale, Close your eyes. Think of today's task. Whatever you want to do today. Whatever you want to accomplish today. Think of something which will make you, if you do this task, you will be so happy. Think of the task today. Visualize the task. See that you are going to accomplish the task. You are feeling that you did the task and you are enjoying that each and every moment of that success. You are so happy for accomplishing the task, for finishing the task. You did it. You have successfully completed the task and you are so happy. And you are feeling each and every moment. You are enjoying that moment. You are into that moment. Visualize everything around you. Listen to everyone. Whenever you achieve that, listen to the people who would be saying what they will be saying whenever you are so happy. And visualize everything. Everything, whatever you feel it. Okay? And visualize what your mind says. Now slowly inhale, take a long and deep breath, and exhale. Now open your eyes. Take your pen, touch on screen, take your pen, select any of your color, any of your favorite color, and start drawing. Whatever you felt, whatever that moment represents. So I'll write your name, only draw it on the name. Please don't go into another one's limits. So this is a life. You have your own limits. So draw it only in your limits. Please don't write it in others one's thing. I still see the people are doing it. So please wait. Don't be in a hurry to draw something. You need to zoom your box only. We have given a boxes to each and everyone. So you need to zoom on your box. You need to draw only in your box, not in others' box. You have to stay in your home only, not in others' one homes. Right? So friends,
Sir, I
don't be
cannot
in a
see my
hurry. I'm writing. Don't be in a hurry. Just wait. So I see many people drawing. லக்ஷ்மி சார், உங்களோட பாக்ஸ்ல போடுங்க. நீங்க வேற பாக்ஸ்ல போட்டுட்டு இருக்கீங்க.
Sir, என் பாக்ஸே வரலங்க சார்.
வரும் மேம், ஒரு நிமிஷம். Because wait. I'm just clearing the boxes so that others can easily draw. Okay, who else is missing? Dhanulakshmi ma'am work vandirkom. Usha. Yeah. Patience is very essential, and being in our limits is next important thing. So just zoom on your screen so that you can see only your box. So I'm done with everyone's names. I think everyone have their names. So please draw in your box only. Usha ma'am, Yamini, Lakshmi Narayanan sir, please start your drawing. So don't bother whether my drawing would be good or wrong. So there is no right or wrong in this world. All your drawings are right. So see, I'm giving you right for you. So because we all used to see the tick mark and being happy. That is how we are getting satisfied. Whenever we see green color tick mark, that's where we feel happy. So I'm making you happy to give the tick mark. So you're 100% perfect. Be happy, and I'm sharing my love towards your drawing, towards your happy moments. Can you see a love in front of your name? Love yourself, love your drawing, love your art, love your each and every accomplishment. And remember, you are the star. You are the best and you are the greatest person. Can you see a star next to your name? Remember, see, you are the star of the day. You accomplished your task. Okay, now we are done with the task. Okay, it's time to share. Now you draw all the pictures. Okay, so I'm not sure who is this GPTC. So from tomorrow onwards, please have your proper name. So not like this GPTC. So also we need to draw, not the letters, because writing anyone can write. So we are going to represent a pictorial one. So that is the reason why we ask the people to draw their happy moment. Okay. So we'll ask each and everyone to share their perceptions about the next picture, because we feel something, we thought something about our life, but others will look at in a different way. That is what called perceptions. So just for an example, when you look at the 6 from this side, it will be 6. From the other side, it would be a 9. You'll be thinking that I am always right because it's always 6. Yes, it's a 6 from your end. But when you go to the others one's place, then only you will realize that no, this is a 9. But that's not a wrong. Both are right. Okay, it's just a way how you are looking at. So I want to teach that art of perception through this exercise. So Gopi sir,
Yes, sir.
tell me what you can observe from this Gokul sir's drawing. So don't bother whether it's right or wrong. Whatever you observed, whatever you get it, just tell me.
It's a beautiful house in a small village.
Superb, superb. That's fantastic. Gokul sir, how about this GPTC?
It represents like life has ups and downs.
Superb. That's fantastic. GPTC.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. So what is your name?
Tenmoli, sir. I'm Tenmoli.
Okay, Tenmoli ma'am. So பேர் வச்சிருங்க ma'am. So
Okay, sir.
லக்ஷ்மி நாராயணன் சாரோட டிராயிங் பார்த்தா உங்களுக்கு என்ன தோணுது?
It looks like a cat playing.
Sorry ma'am.
ஒரு cat விளையாடுற மாதிரி இருக்குங்க சார்.
Okay, very good. லக்ஷ்மி நாராயணன் சார். Lakshmi Narayan. Yes, yes, yes.
Good morning.
Yes. So, Rani ma'am oda drawing பார்த்தா என்ன தோணுது? What do you feel?
ஒரு லேடி ஒரு ஜெனிவன் ஒரு மரம் மாதிரி தெரியுது, மரத்துல வந்து பறவைகள் இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு.
Super. That's fantastic. Rani ma'am.
sir.
Tanu Lakshmi ma'am drawing பார்த்தா என்ன தோணுது? What is your perception?
Sir, ஒரு goat மாதிரி இருக்குங்க சார். goat மாதிரி நடந்து போற மாதிரி.
Super. That's good. Tanu Lakshmi ma'am. Tanu Lakshmi ma'am இருக்கீங்களா?
Sir.
Yes ma'am. Usha ma'am oda drawing பார்த்தா என்ன தோணுது?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Superb. That's fantastic. Usha ma'am, Yamini oda drawing.
Sir, அது வந்துட்டு ஒரு beautiful heart that is glowing up. That is always ready to help others மாதிரி தோணுது.
Superb. Yamini, Gopi sir oda drawing.
It looks like an apple.
Like an apple. Superb. So, you listen to the other's perception. Unga neighborhood, which means that inga பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற இது வந்து you thought something in your mind. You represent something on your canvas. And others perceived something in their view. This is the life. Okay? And ultimate aim is to teach you one thing, that don't bother about what others perceive on your life, because it's your life. No one else can live your life. So, my dear friends, be happy for what you have. Don't worry about the others. Got it?
Yes.
So, we are done with the superb drawing challenge, and we are going to do a self-appraisal. So those who are into the brain gym, they are fully aware of this self-appraisal. So appreciation is very, very essential for everyone. We need to appreciate everyone and everything. For each and everything, we need to learn the art of appreciation. So before we learn to appreciate others, let's learn to appreciate ourselves. Let's do a self-appraisal. Let's do this self-appraisal every day. When you wake up immediately, and when you, before going to the bed, you do this self-appraisal, because you need to say, keep on saying, I am the best and I am the great. Remember, you are the best and the greatest person in this world. Okay? Let's take your left hand, keep it on your right shoulder. Take your right hand, say loudly, shabash, 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 shabash. Okay. So keep on saying, appreciate yourself. Don't think that I'm doing a lot of things. No one is caring about me and no one is appreciating me. Who needs the appreciation of others? Because there are, we have locally in my native, we have around 250 volunteers who are into this community services. So I used to take charge of all the volunteers. I used to help them. So recently, our commissioner, I used to suggest him that we need to do something because of this COVID. All the volunteers help, and we suggested that let us appreciate all the volunteers. But because of the limitation, they picked only few volunteers and they appreciated them. And others started, they had some feeling that, see, we are all worked together for this COVID, and only few got appreciation. Then immediately I called them and I spoke them that, hey, don't worry. I know what you people are doing. And all the people knows what we did. So So because of the during this pandemic, we went each and every home. We helped them regarding the testing, even the food. There are many people who stayed without food. We served the food. We served the medicine. It was like we did everything, like how in a disaster management, how we help the people. So I said that is the beauty. That is the real appreciation. Whenever they take both the hands and say, give their blessings and prayers for you, that is the biggest achievement. That is before going to the sleep, if you feel that I did a great thing, that is the biggest appreciation. So don't worry about that. Learn the art of self-appreciation. That is what self-appraisal. Now we are getting into a gratitude exercise. The second beautiful art of gratitude. Let us thank everything and everyone. We always used to see whoever helps us, we thank. That's it. And that too, we say thank, not thank you. Always learn the art of saying thank you, which is representing the other points, other ones. Okay, when you say thanks, it is open for anything or everything. When you say thank you, I am thanking you. Thank you all for being here for this 6 a.m. Club Happiness Dose, which means I'm thanking you all. Thanks for joining. Whom I'm saying? Okay, so that is kind of, we are caring. Whenever you say thank, represent you. Thank you. This is what we need to learn. And let us do a gratitude exercise. Whenever we say thank you, thank each and everything. It's not just a living beings. Non-living beings also helping us to be happy. See, now I am using my specs to protect my eyes from the digital screen. It is helping me. I'm thanking my specs. Thank your dress. Thank your food. Thank your pen. Thank each and everything who is helping you. Thank each and everything who is making you happy throughout the day. That is what we are doing in gratitude exercise. Let us straighten our hands, open up. Okay, we are opening and sharing our gratitude to everyone. Reverse, cross, connect, twist and down, twist and up. Bring it closer to your heart. Whenever we thank, we need to thank from the bottom of the heart. Below your chin, close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Think of everything and everyone who made us happy, who makes us happy. On the count of 1 to 12 and 12 to 1, inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. On count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now slowly release our hands, open your eyes, get relaxed. Now we are going to do another beautiful exercise, self-hug. Hug yourself. Love yourself because you are the beautiful creature in this world. You are the best and the greatest person in this world. Take a long and deep breath. Open your hands widely open. Raise your head up and slowly exhale and hug yourself. And feel each and every cell of your body is hugging yourself. And again, slowly inhale and open your hands, wide open your hands, raise your head up and slowly exhale. And this time, your left hand should be on top and right hand should be on down. Hug yourself. Feel each and every cell of your body is feeling happy with your care and share. with the love, beautiful love you are sharing on yourself. And slowly open your hands. Wide open your hands. Raise your head up. And slowly exhale and hug yourself with all the beautiful air among yourself. Take it, grasp it, and hug yourself. The right hand is on the top. And your each and every cell is feeling so happy. The beautiful love, care, and share you are providing on your body. And slowly release your hands, wide open it. Rise up your head. Inhale and slowly exhale and hug yourself. Hug your body. Love yourself. But your each and every body cell is feeling so happy. The beautiful love, care, and share. Now slowly release your hands. Open your eyes. Now we are going to our next exercise. Happy task of the day. Pick any of the tasks, being it eating, enjoying, watching TV, listening music, sleeping, cooking, doing your work, gardening, planting, whatever it is. Pick one task which you want to do today to be happy. Accomplish it and keep sharing in our group. How you feel, what you did. Okay? Now we go to the beautiful, energetic laughing exercise. Are you all ready for ready to learn alphabets? Remember, my dear friends, now you are into the nursery class. Okay? We are all the nursery kids. Whenever you want to be happy, you need to be an infant. The only people in this world would be more happy, 100% happy is the child. Don't bother, they don't care anything. Even the world is dying, they don't bother. They would be happy. So, this moment, at this time, you are the kids. We are all the nursery kids. We are learning the alphabets of laughing. Are you all ready to learn? So, all of you, open your mics. If possible, open your videos because we are going to do a beautiful alphabet laughing exercise. Okay? So, first we'll learn the alphabet and then we'll sing a song. Okay? Finally, we'll end up with the laughing exercise. It is a laughing therapy. It's a beautiful therapeutic approach. Remember, my dear friends, whenever you smile, smiling, you don't open your mouth. It's just on your lips. It's just your cheeks would be open up and it will be raised. That's it. But when you laugh, you are wide opening your mouth and showing your teeth and showing your energy, all your happy moments. The laughing actually helps you to relax all your facial muscles. Okay, let's start the alphabet laughing exercise. Let's start with the Come on, say. No, ma'am. We are learning. Whatever I say, you need to practice. Okay?
Yes, sir.
We are learning. First, you are into the nursery class. You need to follow what I say. Ha ha. E. Hi. Now you know the alphabets, right? Okay. Now we are going to sing alphabet laughing exercise. We are going to sing this song. Whenever you sing it, make sure there is the body movements, There is a facial expressions. You are singing this song not from the mouth, from the abdomen. Your voice should come from the abdomen. Ready? Start. Ha 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 ha. He 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 he. Ho 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 ho. Hey 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 hey. Ha hi ha hi ha hi. Ho 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 ho. Ha ho ha ho ha ho. Okay, once more. Yes. Ha 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 ha. Let's practice it once more. Ha 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 ha. He 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 he. Ho 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 ho. Hey 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 hey. Ha hi ha hi ha hi hi. Ho 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 ho. Ha ho ha ho ha ho. Ha 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 ha. Now raise your hands like anything. Raise it up and lob it like anything. Ha 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 ha. Open all your energy. Release all your stress, all your anxiety, all your fears, all your worries. Release it through your smile. Do it as much as you can till you feel relaxed. Okay? See, at least by looking at our Smiley, laughing Smiley, how she is trying a lot to make you laugh. Okay? Okay. Now, my dear friends, we are at the end of our class. It's just a beginning, remember. So, this is a RAK challenge, Random Acts of Kindness challenge. So, these are the 12 different random acts of kindness. Kindness is very, very essential for each and every human being. Help others. Kindness also should be the part of our attitude. Start giving your time, give your skill, give your thing, give your money for the needy around you. Whatever it is, anything. You pick any one from this, being it hugging a tree, using a cloth bag, and watering plants, walk for a kilometer, feed animals, water bowl for birds, thank someone, help a senior citizen, play with the kids, create a plastic-free zone, spend a mobile-free hour, or share a meal. Pick any one. If you'd like to do all the 12, it is well and good. Pick one activity and go ahead and do it and feel the happiness. It doesn't even take more than a minute. It's just a couple of minutes task. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Need to be happy. Remember, all the research says that those who are helping others, they are the most happiest person in this world.
Yes,
And thank you all for your smiles. I'm seeing your smiles. I'm seeing you are all happy now. I feel it. I mean it. My dear friends, thank you for joining today's 6 Saying Club, Happiness Club. We have exactly 1 minute. If you'd like to share anything, the floor is open.
Thank you for making us happy now.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
the ha 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 song remains me. There is a whole song which remains the food.
Yes.
I think it's in all language. Kalyana Samayal Sadhu.
Yes, yes. Maya Bajaj song. Yeah,
Exactly.
we adopted it from there only.